So in today's video, I'm going to share how you can update your Avon e-store. Sometimes you'll hear this called your storefront or just your landing page or your Avon homepage. Basically, you'll find this page by logging into your account as an Avon representative and then clicking on this link that says My Store. So this is a page that is going to be where your customers first land when they use your link. So it's a really great idea to update this page so that it shows a little bit of you, so that customers know that they're shopping with you. They see little pieces of you, and get to learn a little bit about you. So to start, what you'll do is click on this link in the left that says Edit Store, and then you have two options. You have the English store and the Spanish store. So depending on which one you want to update, you can start with that one. And then the first thing you have is the option to edit the banner at the top of your page. So you have a variety of options of backgrounds that you can use to just change the way that the top of your page will look. Next, you have the option to add your photo. I highly recommend that you add a photo of you, not just a generic photo of an object or a scene, because you really want your people who are coming here, whether they're customers or future customers, to see you here and know that, without a shadow of a doubt, that they are shopping with you as their representative. So it's a really great idea to upload a picture of yourself, a clean shot in good lighting, something, image that looks like you so that people know. Next, you have the option to update your store's name. You can put your full first and last name. If you have a nickname that customers are more likely to know you by, you can use that. You do not have to use this Avon by portion. You can just put your name or your first and last name. I do that because for years that's what I've had on my brochures and my business cards and all of my signage. I also don't use my last name because I feel like my first name is enough of a challenge as is. So this keeps it simple for me, just having everything uniform, but you can just put your full name here, or first name or nickname. In this box, you have the opportunity to just give a brief introductory message. It's a great opportunity to just personalize it in the way that you would speak, etc. Next, you have the option to show or not show the city and state where you live. I've turned mine off because I do have a lot of customers all over the United States, and sometimes in the past, I've had a specific area on, and then they're like, "Oh, do you not serve my area anymore?" And I'm like, "No, as long as you order online, it doesn't matter." So I've just decided to put that off. You can put it on if you want to, or if you want to be very specific about the area that you are serving. Then you have the option to share or not share your phone number, and then the option to share or not share your social media channels. Now, to update your social media channels, if you haven't done this yet, the way that you do that is by going into your account, which is by clicking on this area or hovering over this area that says Hi, your name, and scrolling down to this section that says My Profile. When you do that, it'll bring you to the page where you can update all of your contact information. And anytime you want to update anything on your account, that My Profile section is going to be the place that you go. So you can go there, you can update your social media, and then when you come here, it will be reflected. And then you have the option to turn on or off whether or not this will display on your page. I show all of my social media channels because, again, as I'm sharing my link or as I'm finding new customers on social media, I want them to come here and be just certain that I am the rep that they saw on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram. If a customer finds me here on my Avon page, I want to connect with them further and build relationship. So I want to let them know that I am on a variety of social media channels. But if you don't have Twitter or Pinterest, or if you have Facebook but not Instagram, all you need to do is turn those options off and they won't show on your homepage. And if you do want to show them, update them and turn them on. The next area is your introduction message. This is a place where you can write a quick message to your customers, maybe to talk a little bit about yourself, your likes and your dislikes, to encourage your customers or thank them for shopping with you. You can encourage them to reach out to you, or to connect with you via, if you want to say, you can connect with me by my phone, by call or text, or by my email. If you want to drop that in here, this is a place for you to show a little bit about yourself. Avon does have generic versions of these, but even if you're using the generic version as a place to start, I recommend that you change it to be your words, so that, you're going to hear me say over and over again, is so that you're showing a little bit about yourself. For me, this is where I have my mission statement for my business. Everyone should have their own version of this. So this is what's important to me. These are my goals. This is, you know, what I set out to do as an Avon representative. And then I have below that my recommended products. So with the recommended products, Avon can choose products for you. If you're not sure of what to recommend, you can let Avon auto recommend them. You can also let them automatically just update the featured products that they are featuring, or you can update your customized list. So you know what I'm going to say in this area. You want this place to be a place where you are showing up and your personality, who you are, is showing through. So these are items that I use and that I love. If you watch my YouTube videos, you're going to see these products come up time and time again. You're going to see me using them. You're going to see me talking about them. If you watch my videos in my background, you might even see a few of these products in the background of my videos. But these are products that I've tested, that I love. They are my tried and true. I recommend them all the time. And again, when customers come to this page, they're gonna say, of course Georgie has makeup, of course she has Farm RX, Green Goddess. You know, these are products that she recommends all the time. I can see her here. I knew I was going to come to this page and find makeup. But go through and figure out what your products are. Is it skincare? Is it makeup? Is it jewelry? Is it fashion? Whatever it is for you, and add those products here. To add that, I'm just going to delete that and start again. I'm going to add this product, which is a product that I've been loving and talking about over and over again. And it is the FMG Love Lip Butter. All you do is just start typing the name of the product here in this box, and it brings up a search. Even if you didn't know that it was an FMG product, even if you knew it was Love something, you can type in Love and it'll bring you a list of names of products that have love or even sound remotely related to that. So the product I want is right here. I'm just going to click it to highlight it, click add, and there it is at the bottom. So when you're done with all of your updates and your changes, go ahead and click Save Changes. And at the bottom of your page, you will see the products that you recommended highlighted, bold, and in living color. Now, two other areas that you can update on this page. Oh, and as I mentioned, your contact information will be on this side along with your interests and all of those notes that you added here. So now these two areas, these main feature areas of your page, are another option for you to show who you are, what your likes are, what your interests are, and to allow your customers and clients to get to know you a little bit better. So the first area is for videos. You can just click this add button, and if you have videos on YouTube, you can enter that link here, you can enter a title, and you can put a small description. And then it's going to bring you to a page just like the page where we created the featured products, where you can search the different products and you can select which products you want to highlight along with each video. So this is a great way if you're sharing on social media, where you can have a link in your bio or a link tree or whatever, where you can say, go back to, if you want to see what products I'm using in this video, you can go back to my Avon store. You could drop a link to this page and that is going to bring them back here, and they could find the video they watched and see all the products that you used in that video linked down at the bottom, so it's just really easy for them to find. If you don't have video, you can still do the same thing with photo. So here I have a photo of myself wearing and using some products, and then underneath I have some of the products that I've used in that photo. So as I share that photo on social media, people who see that photo can come to this page and they can find my photo and find the products that I used or that I mentioned in that image. It's a really great way for your customers to shop and again, get to know you. So this page is really a page that you want to personalize as much as possible. So because this is going to be the link that you're sharing with your customers. It's going to be letting them know that they're shopping with you when they come here to shop, and you want them to come here and have a connection with you, your personality, who you are uniquely as an Avon representative. Now, if you're not sure where to find this page to share the link, you can come into the top right in your address bar. You can find that link. You can just copy and save it, or Right here next to your newly uploaded photo, you can click this share button and share to Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Tumblr, or you can copy the URL and that page will be copied to your clipboard. I recommend saving this to your phone, to your email address, adding it to your business card, to your social media. Just saving that link in a place where you can access it quickly so that as you do meet people when you're out and about, you can quickly just send them a link to your website. A couple of things to note. This page is going to be a little bit different for our customers. There is going to be a banner at the top here that has the Avon sweepstakes, which you'll hear me say is a really great way to share and share an opportunity for customers to enter to win some free product, and a way for you to build your address book by inviting your customers to enter your giveaway and have them invite their friends and family to enter your giveaway too. They get some freebies and you get to meet new people. So I hope you found this video helpful. If it is, be sure to give me a thumbs up and let me know. And if you have any comments about other videos that you would like to see, or if you had any questions about what I shared here today, please feel free to drop that in the comments box as well. See you soon. Bye bye.